In this video, I tell you how you can troubleshoot your Google Meet problem regarding joining the meeting. Many times we get the message failed to join meeting. Okay, so I tell you the easy steps so that you can avoid the problem from your side and you can easily join the meeting, or you can take the new meeting also. So what happened first, if you have installed Google Meet, then you have to go in setting option from your smartphone. Once you go in the setting, there you have to search app option. Here app option is there, and in the app option you have to select manage app. In the manage app, as here I am having many apps, you can search here Meet. So here the Meet app is coming, and here the storage option is important. Here in the storage option you have to click on clear data. So whatever the previous data is there, that will be clear. So by doing this your problem can be solved, but it is not sure. I am not sure 100% it will be solved. So after doing this, after doing clear data, if your problem will not be solved, then your second step is you have to open your Google Meet. So here in the Google Meet, then what you are supposed to do, you can here click on these three buttons and check your proper email ID. So what happen, this problem may arise if you are having 3 to 4 email IDs in your smartphone. So you have to check whether you logging with the proper email IDs or not. There you have all the information related to your contact number, and whichever the email ID is properly login in your smartphone, that only you have to select. Suppose in my smartphone I am having this two email ID. So whichever the proper ID that you feel proper and it is login with your smartphone, that email ID only you have to select from here. Then the third one is you have, if again your problem is not solved, but according to my knowledge, if you select the proper email ID, then your problem will be solved. And the last one more option I am telling you, you simply uninstall your app, and when you install that, after reinstallation you have to check, you have to verify the email ID, and you have to make confirm this email ID is login in your account or not. So how you will confirm that thing also I am telling you. You have to go in the Gmail, and then here you have to check whether it is login or not. So you have to just verify the icon. This is the icon of my email ID, so you have to also verify this is the icon, and here you have to check you have login with your email ID or not. If it is login, then 100% sure your Google Meet will work, because Google Meet software, Google Meet application totally depend on your email ID. If your email ID is not properly login, then Google Meet will not work. So the main thing is you have to check whether you properly log in with the same email ID or not. So same email ID you have to use in your Meet application also. So I hope you understood, and you have to do same thing if you are facing the problem. Thanks for watching. Thank you.